crystal lovers, it's raining right now and it's gonna be raining all day, and my crystals are out in the rain, in natural rain. The crystals need nature to cleanse them. They're gonna be so happy. I have my amethyst, my quartz, my black tourmaline, my mystic melanite, my rose quartz, and a jar of crystals that I'm gonna be using next year for my crystal grids. You know, there's this thing that the crystals have been telling me about dryness and desert-like conditions. And when crystals such as these are away from nature for a long time, they become arid and they become dry. And the abundance in our lives depends on the wetness of the ground and the wetness of the earth. And the crystals were just calling for something new. No more regular water. No more water from the taps. They need natural rain. And so I'm out here so excited because it's going to be cleansing for my crystal babies. It's going to wash away the aridity and the dryness that comes as a result of not experiencing a bathing cleanse from nature. These crystals are going to be filled with life. They're going to become wet, if you know what I mean. They're going to be able to produce moisture, and that moisture is going to bring life into all the things that I'm going to be creating next year. So this is the guidance. So in case it's raining out there where you are, just go out, put your crystals out in the rain, let them feel the gentle rain. Don't wait for the storm or the stormy type of rain that's harsh when it's still gentle. Put them out in a bucket and let nature cleanse her babies. Let her fill them again with life and with moisture and abundance. I mean, for me, this is the instruction. So that's why I'm out here in the rain, filming and talking about my crystal babies. You know what I mean? The crystals are going to bring something new. There's a new thing coming and it's not the old. So crystal lovers, whenever it's raining, get your babies out under natural rain and let nature do her things with your crystals. And especially if you're guided, it's time to do this because, you know, there's no playing around anymore. We just got to follow intuition and let growth come, let abundance come. If you've been experiencing dryness in your life and things are not moving and your crystals are just sitting there, you know what I mean? Do something about it. So this is exactly what I'm doing, and I can't wait to see what's going to happen. Crystals, you're going to be so happy, and I'm going to be so happy when it's all said and done. It's going to be raining all day, like I said, and this is really, really exciting. I love you, crystal lovers. Charge your crystals, wash your crystals, cleanse your crystals. There's a lot more coming. Yay, rain! I love nature. Woohoo! Look at that. It's beautiful, right? Look at that. All day. See you next time. Love you. Bye.